Good day, my name is Johan Heidenrich and I'm a Director in Tax Services at Creston, South Africa. The tax faculty has great pleasure in announcing that we have developed a new course which is called the Chartered Tax Advisor Client Experience Workshop. So why is this so important? Not only will it equip people to be a proper chartered tax advisor, it elevates tax advisory to a different role. I've been doing this for close to 30 years, and what I've experienced is that people are struggling with various things. So for over the 2 days, we will measure and we'll present a course that is practical and that will be benefiting for the firms wherever these participants are working on. On day one, we'll do a very practical course about the trial balance, financial statements, a draft tax calculation, and there will be 4 elements to it. The first element will be the participants will be required to evaluate, identify tax pitfalls and opportunities, ranging from a variety of taxes, not only corporate tax, but value-added tax, PAYE, securities transfer tax, dividend withholding taxes, and we'll check the technical competence. Thereafter, they'll have the opportunity to work in a group, and we'll check the basis where the interaction with colleagues can be enhanced and how they come to the realization that it is important that working together will give a better outcome. Then they will have the opportunity to meet with the financial director. That will be role played by experienced people. And in that case, we will test whether or not the participants can actually deal with high-level clients and use proper language and use the right terminology when they are talking to clients. And then lastly, they'll be instructed to do a written document where we'll test their written skills. So that will be the first day, and then we'll move across to dispute resolution process, where there's a dispute between a client and SARS, and it will go to alternative dispute resolution process, and where the participants will be able to draft a memo, where their written skills will be tested, where they'll be tested on whether they can deal with a dispute, where they'll ultimately form part of a alternative dispute resolution process. And all of that will be a feedback given to them after the end of day 2. And we will have the inputs from a variety of firms. So they will have the benefit of not only a single firm or a single of the tax faculty inputs, but they'll have a variety of input from various firms. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.